These are the available electrical wires here in the Philippines. The Philplex stranded wire. That's the price per meter, and this is the price per roll. That's AW14 2.2 mm. This is the stranded wire 3.5 mm. This is the stranded wire 5.5. AWG10 5.5. This is AWG 8 mm stranded wire. This is the 14 mm stranded wire. 22 mm stranded wire. 30 mm stranded wire. 38 mm stranded wire. 68 mm stranded wire. So you can see how thick it is. It's the coaxial cable wire black. .75 mm HDI to AWG. The Royal cord wire. That's short ropes. The Royal cord 0.75. Royal cord 0.75. 18 for cc. This is 18 over 3C. 18 4C. So there's 4 cables inside. This is 3 cables. This is 2. This is another, but 16 4 cables 1.25 mm. Sixteen 3 cables. This is the price, 52.75 per meter. 16 2 cables inside 125 mm. That's the price.